Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the April Witch Casket. This month's theme is, I believe, is Peculiar Oddities. So that should be fun. So I'm just going to get it opened up here, and we shall see what we have. Get my junk out of the way. All right. Right side up. Yes, Peculiar Oddities. So let's get the box set up. And today I have a nice bright cloth here, kind of spring theme. So Peculiar Oddities, April 2025. There you have some artwork. I love the little cauldron, that's so cool. And here's April's Witch Casket. The casket is Peculiar Oddities. We created some useful yet strange and unusual items that we hope you'll love as much as we do. Very cool. So we're going to go through this a little bit later, like normal, and we shall see what's in the box. So here's our monthly manifestation card, and I just love this terrarium theme. That is so cool. And your monthly manifestations on the back. So I'm probably going to try and do a little bit shorter videos. So New Beginnings Wind Spell Kit contains all you need to invoke the winds of change. There you go. Let's use the scissors to open this up. I love the artwork on the stickers. It's pretty cool. So in this package we have 2 pouches and Angelica Peppermint. Oh, 3 pouches. Angelica Peppermint and Poppy Seeds, number 3. So there's our art. Oh, I'm loving this art. It is amazing. So that will be our spell kit for April. And that was all that was in the bag. So I'm just going to set this here. Oh, some herbs are trying to escape. And seeing how this is a nice bright red pouch, let's see what's in here. It says Divine Power. Red is a power color, so it's quite fitting. What do we have? Oh, a nice carving. That's very cool. I like that. Witch Casket exclusive. I like these wooden carvings. They're a nice contrast for a lot of the things that you may have on your altar. So let's read. And this says, Goddess Crystal Holder. A beautiful wooden statue to represent the goddess divine feminine, designed to carefully hold a small magical crystal, rune, or talisman of your choosing. Sweet. So I guess you would put it just here. My lighting is a little bit darker today, but I'm in a different room than normal. So here is your card art on the back of that. I'm loving this terrarium theme with the mushrooms. It's so cool. And then a pouch, cat's claw bark. This magical herb can be used in spells and rituals for enhancing psychic powers and spiritual connections. Other uses include protection, defense, abundance, and good fortune. We could all use a little good fortune. That's nice. I like the herbs. And our pin for the month. Ooh, it's a terrarium, the mushroom in it. Very cool. I like that. and the art on the back. Very neat. So I'll set that there. And then we have a pouch with our stone. Let's see what kind of stone we have this month. Oh, this looks like petrified wood. I think that's what it is. Let's read. Petrified wood. Awesome. So, a fossilized wood created when minerals replace the organic materials of wood, turning it to stone. Petrified wood is a beautiful stone for grounding. It calms and brings balance. Symbolizing transformation over time, it can help anyone changing their path by giving them faith in the future and trust in the universe. So there you go. You can read it if you like. The lighting's a little crappy up here, so there you go. I'll just set that there. Just like that. That's beautiful, and it'll go so nice with that if that's the one you choose to use. So now we have another organza bag. And what do we have in this one? Witch Casket. Oh, cards. Spellcraft Grimoire cards. Ooh, nice. Look at, and there. These beautiful spellcraft cards were designed with love and positive energy and with the modern witch in mind. We hope you enjoy them and find them useful in your practice. Use them to represent their individual qualities on your altar or in your spell work. Incorporate them into spells and rituals. Add them to your book of shadows or your grimoire. So there you go. And then we have, I'm just going to read, because these look like items, and a description of how to use them. So I'll just read, for instance, I'll read the ash one. Ash from the burning of incense, herbs, and plants can be mixed with salt to create black salt for protection. Ashes are also great for dressing candles, for spells relating to renewal and rebirth. So there's the whole set here that have the uses for the items. Smoke. Nice. So those are very cool. And they're, even the edge is gilded, and Witch Casket exclusive on the back there. See, there's the edge gilding. Get a nice flash off of the light there. Okay, so, and we have a box, a pull tab. On the back, potion vial pendant. A beautiful yet practical pendant for carrying your tinctures, elixirs, and potions. Cool. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, very nice. So that's quite a long cord on it. And there you go. That's what it looks like. It has kind of this smoked glass look to it. Very pretty. You can really tell the color, the smokiness against the lighter background. Well, that's cool. Because sometimes you put your oils on your hands and you get to work, and then first thing you have to do is wash your hands, and there goes your potion or oil, your magical oils. Okay, altar anomalous. Use this beautiful anomalous to hold small posies of flowers or herbs, matches, incense sticks, or anything else that takes your fancy. Okay, let's see. Oh, cool. That's a neat one. Look. And it is metal. I like the decoration on it, and a fluted shape to it. It's quite large, so that'll be really nice to hold things. So set that there. And then we have a scroll. Our scroll for the month, peculiar things you can use in witchcraft. So we have tears, wine corks, compass, old newspapers, and rubber bands. So very cool. Love the artwork here again. Sorry about the crinkly noise. I know it picks it up quite well. These microphones are really, really sensitive. And for, I believe, the last item in our box for April is a Witch Casket exclusive. Loving the artwork. Magical basswood writing set. Whether it's writing in a book of shadows, journaling, coven correspondence, noting manifestation goals, affirmations, or sigils, all witches know there is a great power in the written word. With this in mind, we designed this stunning wooden quill and ink set to add a little extra magic to your work. Created from basswood, which is great for creative endeavors and enchantments. So let's see what it looks like. This is exciting. Oh, wow. Okay. That's really cool. I'm just going to put the box on the back there. So here we have some ink. Okay. And here is the wooden quill. So there you have the end of it that you dip in the ink. I'm sure you all know that. And this beautifully carved quill. So that's pretty cool. I like that. That'll be fun to use. So that is the April unboxing. Or that is the April items. So let's have a quick look in the book. See what it says. Okay, so we have the magical basswood writing set and altar anomalous, which is the silver one here, spellcraft grimoire cards, and we read about those. So potion vial pendant, which is here. Just making sure I didn't miss anything. Hand finished wooden goddess crystal holder. This would be this little lady right here. And new beginnings wind spell kit. So that would be our, with our angelica peppermint and poppy seeds, and our instruction card. And what else do we have here? Petrified wood tumbled stone. That's very cool. And cat's claw bark. So, and then peculiar potions enamel pin. Where are we here? We are right there. An enchanting magical bottle enamel pin designed exclusively for our subscribers. Wear this to add magic to your jacket, bag, scarves, or include in your creative wall display. All right, peculiar things you can use in witchcraft parchment scroll. This beautiful parchment is inscribed with some items that you may not have considered magical and how they can be used. This information can be copied to your grimoire book of spells, or you can simply place the sheet inside your spell book framed. These scrolls can also add splendor to the walls of your home. And then magical terrarium art print. This beauty here. This bewitching art print was created by our in-house designer, Faye, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Use the reverse of this stunning art print to work on your monthly manifestations, and then frame it or add it to your grimoire or book of shadows. All spells and rituals are created by Witch Casket's co-founder Deb, an experienced practicing witch, exclusively for Witch Casket. So that is the unboxing for April 2025 Peculiar Oddities. So I'm really looking forward to the next box to see what's in there, and I'm looking forward to using these items. Like I say, I have you know, I'm doing a little bit shorter video, and I'm really excited to use this ink. So that's going to be fun. Anyhow, so if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the May unboxing. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.